Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Survival Map.
Sorry.
Wow. So, today we are hiking Skidaway State Park.
Skidaway Island State Park.
Skidaway Island State Park. Whoa! Whoa! I want it.
Well, our electric bikes will be here at some point.
I want electric bikes. Okay, so this is a very simple trail. It's like paved, little bridges, but it's only an hour from the house. It gets us out in the woods hiking. The wife has been hassling me nonstop for some woods time. Do have my backpack on.
It's supposed to be cooler because it's October 26th, but it's like 81, 82 degrees.
Yeah. I love these little things. These little libraries. Wish more people would put more stuff in them. So, no bicycles.
Oh, it's been on his bike back there. Tree. Chickadee. One of my favorites.
So very interesting. Even though we're on this very simple day hike, I still took my backpack, and I still have hello puppy. So even though we're on this simple day hike, I still packed some essentials. Still have fire starting stuff. Even though I don't plan on using it at all. I mean, we were on a state park after all. But you never know. Could break a leg. Crazy stuff might happen. Might get attacked by a crocodile.
By what?
Crocodile.
Why?
I don't know.
Yeah. Gators can't attack other gators? What is that thing?
Gators can't attack other gators.
Look at that thing crawling on the mud or whatever. You see it? Is that a crab?
Crab.
It looked really
Series of crabbies. Look at all the crabs.
Yeah, wow, they're all over. It looked really
Looks
funny.
like bait. Hey, look. See your shadows?
Mm-hmm. I wanted to take a picture the other day when we were walking on the beach.
2 fingers up.
Shadows.
So, even though we're just taking a simple day hike, still took the backpack. Took my one day. What's the name of this brand again?
Marmot.
My Marmot. My Marmot day pack. It's got the hammock, tarp, ignition, basically a small baby blue Bic lighter.
Do you have a backpack? What I'm doing?
A cooler backpack?
Yeah.
No, we don't. It's one of the things we need.
Yeah, like,
It's heavy, isn't it?
well, it's digging into my arm.
Oh, here, let me carry it.
No, I'm okay.
Silly wife.
It has to be on our to-do list. You know, have you carry everything, baby?
We do need a cool. Do they even make cooler backpacks? They have to, right? They make that.
Hey, guy. He's a big old guy.
Comment down below your favorite cooler backpack.
If not, I will get the sewing and make straps, put straps on this, or like buy one and construct one myself.
They gotta make one.
I think so.
So it's been raining off and on, so it's a little murky, which is why I didn't wear my nicer murals today. I wore my shitty trail runners. What?
I mean,
What?
I'm wearing my nice ones.
Well, you know, they're gonna get dirty. Just clean them. It smells marshy. A little briny, little marshy. And it is 81 degrees currently. No wind in the woods, but we are hiking towards beautiful water. It's supposed to be beautiful water. I don't think it's gonna be. But there should be a nice breeze there. Anything to add, babe?
Those are these great. What do these little markers mean? Like there's D right there. Do you know what that means?
Because I think these are campsites.
Weird.
And they said no camping's available, so they probably just said that because of the rain.
That's awesome. I think they have cabins here and such as well. And you said you brought the hammock, is that right?
Yep, got the hammock.
Awesome sauce. Good chickadee?
I did. Chickadees make you happy?
They make me smile.
Okay. I wonder if I can take a tray here. What's this? Red Baron camping? Red Baron survival? That's a cool spot. What are you skidding for? Oh, that's not gonna happen because there's more mud.
This is about fine.
You're funny.
I know.
Wow, I wonder how high the water gets. Pretty cool. The Living Shore. So we can hike.
It always makes me want to cover up the roots with dirt so it can still live but live lying down.
Right or left?
They went right there.
We're going left.
Yeah. I got says they went right. See if I'm right.
Oh, I didn't bring my... I've got a shoulder clip for this damn thing. For the DJI. Yeah. What kind of dogs?
They're Norwich Terriers or Norfolk Terriers.
That was for you, babe.
When you said that too, you said 5, 4, 3, and like,
Timber.
I'm not, well, a monster mosquito like landed on my head. So I was like, oh,
Well, I got a buff for you. You want one?
yeah, it'd be hard.
Just a little.
You want to start
Of what?
beauty?
Or a win.
Yeah, I think here.
Okay. In the sun now?
Well,
We're about to be in twilight hour.
I know. Well, that's what I want to do this right here, you know, and then I'll do more.
According to my watch, we've been hiking for 21 minutes. And I started it late, so.
This is just really pretty with the fine lights hitting everything in the marsh and the trees. suckers.
I am a dwarf and I'm digging a hole. Diggy, diggy hole. Oh, there's bug spray right there.
I don't smell it.
Oh, no. So you like being eaten?
I know that's what's in my hair.
It's right here.
Oh, no, it's not blue.
Excited about a cheesy hammock dinner.
Yes, sir.
I did grab my flashlight, right?
I don't remember you saying it.
This is for the YouTube channel. Like, you guys ever just walk along, and you know the sun's setting, you got about 2 hours left, and you're like, it's just a day hike. But did I grab my flashlight? I better have grabbed my flashlight.
That's why I keep that super sexy whatever O-ring one you got for me on my keychain.
Yeah, you got it on you?
We didn't take my car.
So you don't have yours either.
What if we were in my
I'm like,
car?
pretty sure I got mine.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, in the car, which is nowhere near where we are.
No, that's what I mean. I would have if we.
I got a survival kit in the car.
Right. Yeah, definitely.
We could live out here.
I just mean if we had been in my car, I would have it because that's why I did it. Because I was like, I would always have it on me, you know. But
Hikers, campers, survivalists, always make sure you eat before you hike. You got the shakes because I didn't eat enough. And not that we're super exerting ourselves, but you know.
you haven't eaten it. Do you hear my stomach? I hope it's on the camera.
Roar. What? I'm recording away from the sun. Not into it.
Oh my gosh, there was an earthquake. No.
Look at her. Stunning gazelle. That make me a lion. Come on, baby. Put your phone down, sexy.
I'll start moving in this morning. I'm trying to get. Where's my stupid thingy? Two shots and then I'll stop.
Promise?
I'll do my best. Haven't been here before, so just taking some food shots.
This is kind of mean, like.
I know, I apologize.
Stop.
It's my hobby, it's my habit, it's my passion, photography.
I think it's a good shot. Through the pants? Alright, we are at Skidaway Island State Park, and we were hiking one of their, what are we on, the Avion Trail right now?
I think so.
Off of
Started off with Sandpiper.
Off of Sandpiper, yeah. Came across these. These are their Pioneer camping, right? And I wanted to record this for everybody who doesn't know, but this is exactly what you'll see at the Appalachian Trail if you're hiking in that and you stop at any of the shelters, except they're typically raised about 2 feet or more off the ground to stop from flooding. But that's all they are. They're these little shelters that are just like this. Sometimes, you know, to stop rain and stuff, these areas will be boarded up. But they're literally just, you know, wood cabin like structures. Spiders, bugs, squirrels, birds, bats, grill, and fresh water. At the Appalachian Trail, there's no fresh water from a spigot per se, but there's definitely like freshwater spots, streams, springs, all that fun stuff. Not a life straw, but you definitely carry water filtering equipment. Yeah, I use the gravity feed system. It's my favorite because, well, let's be honest, I'm lazy, and we're hiking and exerting a ton of energy. And really, your only options are a gravity feed or a squeeze, where you have to exert energy squeezing. Squeezing's faster. I'll tell you that right now. But gravity feed, I fill it up with water, hang it on a tree, and then I sit down.
I was gonna say you can do other things while it's doing its job.
I relax.
Yeah.
I cook my food. I read a book. That's not true. I don't have a book. Play on my phone for a minute. Do whatever I'm doing. While my gravity feed system takes 5 minutes or less to fill my water bottles. So, wow, beautiful cardinal.
Yeah.
Can't get them on the camera. It won't show up. So, water filtration. Squeeze system or gravity feed. I personally, gravity feed. But hey, do what fits you. Do what makes you happy. And hiking's about comfort.
Happy fun.
Yes. So figure out what that means for you. Make it happen, Captain. Trail's pretty nice. It's still hot as Jesus, though.
I thought you could feel the temperature dropping some, but...
Like a cardinal. Hello.
Ooh, that says the red-tailed hawks out here.
Okay, red-tailed hawks are available somewhere.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, unfortunately.
But, I wonder if that's part of the... Okay. So I can't tell you what will make hiking the most comfortable for you, because you're different than me. But I can give you a bunch of ideas, options, tell you what I think you'd like.
Product recommendations even.
Yeah. Really looking forward to a cooler backpack. Think about it. You and the wife, or you and a buddy, one of you carries the beer, one of you carries the tent and stuff, and the steaks. Oh God, I miss hiking with steaks. Gotta do that. When we go to Wolf Laurel, we're taking steaks.
Yes, sir.
Shout out to my buddy Law, my son Will, my apprentice Paul. That was one of the better memories that I have, and I'm very thankful I was able to share it with you guys. Law, if you ever see this or hear this, man, I got your plaque I made for you. You're the only one that didn't collect, and it's a surprise, so you don't even know it exists. So this is a spoiler about a gift that you doesn't know existed. Yes, and we miss you very much. Hope you're doing well in life, brother. And yeah, we're gonna continue our hike. And we will check in later. Stop it up still. Hey.
Picnic, lunch, supper, whatever.
Lunch? Think, right?
And yes, my husband is a genius. Yes, you are. He brought a hammock.
Yeah.
I think that's amazing. And I love that you think ahead.
Yeah.
And life is always fun and interesting. That is one of the things I love about you, by the way. I don't like being bored. You're never boring.
Yeah.
Never, ever, ever boring. I know. It doesn't always excite me, but you're never boring. And you've helped me be a better person. I think that's amazing.
Set up.
Yay! Bam, bam, bam. Hammock time. Vi ser hans band. Meine Mann.
Back on the trail after a sweet dinner break. Popped up the hammock, had a little picnic on a 2-story built structure, man-made structure. Yeah, overlooking the marsh, the water and all that. It is the twilight hour. I just wanted to get some nice perspective of hiking just before dusk. And we're not supposed to be on the trails past dark. So we're kind of moving at a decent pace, trying to make sure we get off the trail as close to dark as possible. Do have a flashlight, just in case we get a tad behind schedule, but we should be gravy. What else? So this is something for my hikers, particularly the Appalachian Trail hikers, or any of the hikers really, people who want to get hiking. There you go. This is for the people who want to hike and haven't yet, and just kind of have those kind of questions. So right now, see the shadows, see the sun kind of disappearing on you? You got about 15 minutes to maybe 45 minutes. Oh, we're still on the trail. Oh, a little bit in the sunlight. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay. Alright, so this section's for the hikers who want to hike. The newbie hikers and all that stuff. Alright, so it's this twilight hour for photography. Everything should look... The golden hour? This is the golden hour for photography. Everything should look amazing. Anyways, right now, if you're hiking, this is my biggest tip for hikers, new hikers. Right now, you should already be set up with your tent or hammock, and you should have your firewood for the night and your water bottles full. If not, by this moment in daylight, 30 minutes left daylight, maybe 45 minutes left of daylight. If you haven't, you need to stop immediately and stealth camp wherever you are, because you have 45 minutes to set up.
I was gonna say, you have no idea what problems might come up. Or
your gear is going to be a pain in the butt. Like, it's so dangerous. That's assuming you're a rookie. Pro hikers, or people who hike all the time, even once you get used to it a lot, you can night hike some because you know what you're doing. You know, you've broke down and set up your gear 100 times, literally 100 times. So any problems you come into, you'll figure out immediately. It's not a big deal.
I think one of the bigger dangers too about doing it at night is you won't be able to see if there's trails of critters like bears and stuff like that around where you are, first of all, but also widowmakers. You know
Huge deal in the widowmakers. And you got your flashlight and your headlamp and all that stuff, but
I'm still trying to look through tree limbs up with a flashlight or whatever.
yeah, exactly. You could just avoid all of that if you would just set up your stuff 45 minutes before sunset. You know, right now you should be sitting down and relaxing.
I have no idea who that was.
2 of them. 3 of them, wow. I don't know what they are, but they're cool looking. Yeah, so we, just so you don't laugh and be like hypocrite, are just on a little day hike. Little 3-mile, well, this section we're on is only 3 miles. We're on a little 3-mile day hike. We will be at the car before dark or just at dusk. I've got a flashlight just in case. I'm not camping tonight, unfortunately. For my survivalist out there, who are still watching this, I do have my Mermont backpack with hammock and a big lighter and some fire starters and my Mora. Just in case, you know, I break a leg and can't get help. And yeah, I've got my folder on as well, but you know, and the cell phone doesn't work, and 7 catastrophes in a row happened because, you know, I fell down a cliff and broke my phone and everything else. So, still got my survival gear on me. Ooh. Good afternoon or evening. That must be nice. Be able to run through this every day. Oh, kind of jealous.
Not boring and boring.
Yeah, it's not boring, it's natural.
Beautiful, not crowded.
Squirrel assassins. No, they only attack you if they think if you can understand them. Rick and Morty reference.
I got something in my shoe. Can you stop for a second? This near the shoulder. I'm a different kind of way.
My pants are falling off. So, what is this? Oh my god, my heart rate's finally showing up. Well, look. So I'm hiking on this app, on my Samsung smartwatch app, right? I did the workout hike feature. And the heart rate didn't show up for the longest time. Now it's finally showing up. Read 120, which is good for me. But we've been hiking for an hour and 27 minutes. And I paused it for our dinner break. But it's got no mileage recorded. I'm gonna be kind of frustrated. I mean, I know it's about 6 miles. But it's weird when only half the app technology works.
Well, it can't be a GPS issue because...
Yeah, we got signal. And it works on Harry Potter. Harry Potter Go and Pokemon Go work, by the way, in this state park. See the symbols? Means we're on the trail. But not the Appalachian Trail. Makes me sad. Ooh. Is that edible? Survivors. Comment down below if you can eat this and not die. Ooh, it's wildlife. Yeah, squirrel. Big ass red squirrel. La. Okay, signing out. Gonna enjoy my hike. This damn camera away. I will see you guys later.
Ooh, that's really cool.